Hey everyone, so I wanted to do an everyday makeup look for you guys. I originally really wanted to wear, like, you can see that I'm wearing like literally winter clothes or like Texas winter clothes. But I guess this is like normal spring clothes. I don't know why today is like unusually chilly because the entire past week it's been unusually warm. Like it's been like literally feeling like summer, like 86 degrees. And so I was already wearing like summery sundresses. But today it is quite chilly, so I'm literally wearing this dress underneath and I'm having this sort of transparent knitwear, and I'm wearing my BB cream. I don't know what brand this is, but I've been using this forever. It's great apparently for sensitive skin. It's covered in dog fur as usual because I put it in my purse. So that's my base, and then my everyday makeup look, y'all, is stupidly simple. But then I'll somehow find a way to make this video like 10 minutes long because that's how long it takes me. Like girls will finish this in like 2 minutes. I guess it does take me 2 minutes. And I'm going in with this Merit blush. It is called Cheeky. It's very natural, which I like. And I like to put my blush right on my cheeks. I know some people put it here on their temples, but I like it on my cheek for a more youthful look. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes. And for lashes, I like to use this mini curler by Shiseido. I've been using this literally for 15 years. I first discovered it, I think, in either middle or high school. And I just have not been going back on my eyelash curlers because I think for Asian eyes, we have flatter eyes to curl individually with the mini lash curler. Here are some of the products I'm using. I look way better on this angle, but I had my phone propped downwards. But yeah, I look way better in this angle. Then last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the YSL Beauty Candy Glaze. I just did a review on this. I'll post the review. I don't know which one I'm gonna be posting first. But yeah, I really like this product. Smells like candy. Goes on candy. It just makes your lip look like a little lollipop. And that's it. I don't put any products on my eye, just products, just some sunscreen, blush, lip, something on my lip, and curl my lashes. I do not like wearing mascara. But yeah.